lobster, we could play whenever. Confident about you, baby, you could slay whoever. Secrets and lies, we don't need it. Let's make some truths and a lie not defeated. Cause I'ma keep it real with you and all I ask.
What's up, guys? It's Janae, and I'm here with a video. This is gonna be my updated everyday be natural face makeup routine, whatever y'all want to call it. Somebody did ask me for this, so I thought I'd do it. I'm gonna be giving y'all all the products and showing y'all the products I use. First and foremost, I'm going to prime my face. I use the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filter. Okay, there we go. This bad boy. I've already put it on, so I'm not going to do that again. Okay, so now for foundation. The foundation I use is the Fenty Beauty 385 Pro Filter. Focusing. There we go. This little cute thing here. Okay, so I have the foundation on nice and smooth, looks like skin. Highlight, I'm gonna highlight and contour my face. So I'm using two different concealers. So the first one I'm using is this Fenty Beauty, and this is in 385. So that's like that. And then I go in with the El Makiage just to highlight just a little bit more to give me the brightness that I want. Now y'all see blended. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So that's how I highlight my face. Okay, so honestly, this is like the fun part for me. That would be me doing my eyebrows. I use this NYX or NYX. Just looks like this. It's eyebrow gel. This is in the color Espresso. Oh, next we're gonna just, you know, I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna take some of the Fenty Beauty and just a little bit of the Il Makiage, and now we're gonna conceal the brows. And then I bring this down. Go ahead and blend that out with my brush. And then I'm gonna just do again with the top. Gonna just blend this out nicely. Look at that. Bitch, I could have been an MUA. So now for the contouring part, because this is what's really gonna bring our face, you know, in together. Contour, I'm using Fenty Beauty. Y'all, if y'all can't get the gist by now, I'm a Fenty girl. Like, this is the Matchstick in Espresso, and I kind of just go in and contour. So this is where we gotta make sure we blend nicely. Next, we're gonna set our face. So we're using the infamous Sacha Buttercup. Your concealer to highlight your face is where you're gonna set. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And then now is where I'm gonna powder contour. I'm using this MAC Bloom. I think it's in the color Blunt Matte Powder Blush. I don't think this is blush because I use it as a contour. So wherever I put that brown, that espresso to contour is where I'm gonna contour. And this is just to blend everything in. You want everything to come together, okay? Okay, so blush. Orange blush. I know y'all gonna be like, or looking like, girl, orange blush. Like, what are you talking about? But don't sleep, because that orange blush is really what brings my eye makeup together. It gives me like that soft kind of glowy look that I'm looking for. This is from Sacha Buttercup. Burnt orange. Just looks like this. And then last but not least, this is just sad. I've had this for a good couple years now. This is when Mariah Carey had that collab with MAC. This is her highlight. The best highlight that I've ever used, because it's not like too dramatic. I like highlight, but I like highlight that's kind of like natural, not too dramatic, where it's like, damn girl, like, okay, we see you got highlight on your face. And then again, blend, because you don't want it to look like you got a harsh line of highlight on your cheek. Last thing, setting spray. This is from ColourPop. The Lime Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. This shit, I want my face to look glowy throughout the day. This stuff is so good. Without further ado, we're gonna spray. Lip gloss. This is the Christian Dior Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil in the color 15 Cherry. I'm gonna apply this. This stuff is so good. It makes my lips feel so nice. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. So this is the finishing product. I hope you guys liked my video, period. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.